Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can enable full screen mode GTA 5. So basically there are multiple ways on how you can do this, and the first one is to simply go ahead and press Alt Enter on your keyboard. Now when you do that, it will simply automatically full screen our application right here, as you can see. And the other way to go ahead and make your game full screen is to simply head over into your game settings. From here, you want to click on display, or graphics, and you want to make sure that you select full screen on the screen type right here. After selecting on full screen, you can just click on the select option. And you also want to make sure that you have selected the right output monitor if you have multiple monitors for your computer. And so, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.